In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Axos Bank website effectively, helping you find exactly what you need in just a few easy steps. Whether you're using the website for personal, business, or partner-related queries, I'll guide you through the essentials of getting the support you require. Let's start by visiting the Axos Bank website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the web address www.axosbank.com into the address bar. This takes you to the home page of Axos Bank, where you'll be greeted with a clean and straightforward interface designed to help you find information quickly. Once you're on the home page, notice the virtual assistant, also known as Evo, located at the lower right of the screen. This chatbot is an excellent tool for those seeking quick answers to typical banking questions. Clicking on Evo allows you to type in your query and get instant help. This can save you time and get you the info you need without navigating the site further. For more detailed concerns, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a support button. Clicking this will take you to a page dedicated to customer support, offering a more in-depth approach to solving your banking inquiries. As you scroll down this page, you'll come across options tailored to different categories of concerns. Whether your queries are personal, business-related, or if you're a partner looking for assistance, there's a section for you. So, choose the category that best fits your issue. If your concern falls under personal matters, click on Learn More located under the Personal section. This will provide more detailed support options. Continue scrolling down and you'll find a Contact Us option. Clicking this will take you to a page displaying various contact numbers. These numbers are categorized based on specific issues you may have, along with their operating days and times, ensuring you know the best time to reach out. Additionally, if you scroll further, you'll discover Axos Bank's holiday schedule so you can plan your banking interactions accordingly. Now, if your concern is business related, you can click Learn More under the Business section. Just like with personal inquiries, there's a Contact Us option here. Clicking this will direct you to business-specific contact information. You'll find both phone numbers and email addresses tailored to the different types of business inquiries, which can streamline your communication with the bank. Lastly, if you need mailing information for either personal or business purposes, continue scrolling. The page will provide details on mailing and special delivery addresses, essential for sending any necessary documents securely, and that's it. With these simple steps, you can effectively use the Axos Bank website to resolve any queries or concerns. Whether you need quick help via Evo or prefer to reach out directly through phone or email, Axos has provided a user-friendly way to manage your banking interactions.